I'm about to share with you how to pick the best network marketing company for you. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, network marketing lately has been getting a huge surge. All right, there are more and more network marketing companies popping up. There are a lot more people that's looking into getting into network marketing. But here's the thing. How do you know which company to join? So as somebody who has, I feel, some pretty good experience when it comes to network marketing, I'm going to help you pick the right opportunity for you. And we're about to do that right now. All right, the first thing you need to decide is what industry do you want to be in? All right, because it really does matter what your company is, what's the product, right? Are you in the health and wellness? Are you in the digital products? Are you into trading? Are you into gold? Whatever it is, like, you have to be into it. All right. So that's the first thing. Decide, like, what am I into? What am I comfortable, either I'm already know about or you're willing to learn about, right? You have to be into the product that the company you're involved with has to offer. All right, the next thing you need to look at is what a lot of times people say when it comes to building their brand. They always talk about you have to know, like, and trust. And in my opinion, this applies to finding a network marketing opportunity. So whenever you're looking at these companies and you're thinking about joining, you have to ask yourself, okay, do I know this company? And how you can get to know a company is doing some simple research. All right, you need to know, right, like, who's behind this company, right? How long this company been around? Like I said, what kind of products do they have? How are their products created? All of that stuff, right? You have to like the company. Now, this is different than like actually liking the product and everything, but you just have to generally have a like for the overall company from what you see. Like, oh, okay, I like the owners. I like what they stand for. I like how they're operated. All of that, right? And then there's the trust factor. And basically, trust comes down to just basically like a gut feeling, right? Do you believe this company is going to be around for a long, long time? Do you just get that vibe? Like, you know what? I feel comfortable telling people that I'm involved with this company. If you get that feeling that, yeah, I think they're going to be around a long time, I rock with them, that's a very good sign that you should join. Now, the next thing that you should look at, and a lot of people might think this is the most important, I don't, but I mean, to a degree, but do you like the compensation plan of the network marketing opportunity? Because a lot of times people will get talked into an opportunity, right? Somebody bring them in, they like whoop-de-woo, and then once they get involved and it's like 1, 2, 3 months later, once they actually realize how the compensation plan works, they're like, oh, wait a minute, I don't like this. Like, this don't make sense to me. Or I can't make no money off this. You know what I'm saying? Or you just like, oh man, this ain't, not what I thought, right? So before you jump into an opportunity, you need to really take some time and learn the compensation plan. And you need to understand what you need to do to be able to achieve the money that you want to make. Now, another thing that you need to ask yourself before jumping into any network marketing company is this something that I can promote long term? All right. And this is very important to me because, like, a lot of people will get all hype on opportunity. Happens all the time. They jump in, they're like, hell yeah, boom, this is it. And then, they go hard for a month, maybe even 6 months. They go hard with this opportunity, and maybe they're making a little bit of money or they're making no money. So they just stop, right? They just kind of stop promoting it, stop talking about it. Or maybe they're just like, I really ain't into that product no more. I'm not into that service no more, right? So when they start thinking like that, it's really going to affect their action and their output in, promoting opportunity. So you need to, like, ask yourself, people change all the time, but damn, you need to be like, yo, can I see myself promoting this 3 years from now? Not 3 months, 3 years from now. Can I see myself in 5 years still rocking with this product, with this company, right? And if you can tell yourself honestly, like, yeah, I can see myself here 3 years, 5 years. Yep. If you can do that, that's a damn good sign that you should join that business opportunity. Now, if you want to check out my #1 network marketing opportunity and a company that I plan on being with for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you need to click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.